All right, so the Reggae Boys are out of the Gold Cup, losing to Panama 4-1. But you know what happened every time the Reggae Boys lose a game? Start look people for blame. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. No, I do think I probably will get a lot of stick feet, but I don't really care as always. Um, One of the main blame game, or should I say, the main persons that the blame is aiming towards is the Jpl players, and they're easy target. These players are easy target. And you know the funny thing about it, over the last 5 or 6 games, maybe 6 JPL player play. Whether good or bad result, maybe 6 of them play. But they will always be the easiest target to blame. No, quote unquote, they're saying that Marion Garden is one to pick a team, Marion Garden is one to coach a team. I do know that is coming from persons who never watch a training session. They never take part in a training session. They only see Marion Garden on the sideline, pan match there, but never really look at the training session, watch a training session in detail. So really and truly don't know. They must speak from lack of knowledge. So I will excuse them. My problem is the persons who target the JPA players. That is my problem. And I cannot have it. You know why I can't have it? Because the few JPA players who have played so far would have contributed to the team, whether success or failure in some sense. But they have contributed more so in aspect of success to the team since in recent time. Let me just give you some detail. If you want, hit the like button, no problem at all. Let's have a short video. Very short video. Now, I'm going to go all the way back to this year, January, March. I'm going to take out all of the friendlies. I'm going to exclude all our friendlies. The reason I'm exclude all our friendlies is because we have friendly games, which is just strictly JPL play those friendlies. The games versus Trinidad. So that's the reason I exclude those games. I put in important games that really matters. February the 21st of March, Jamaica versus St. Vincent, 1-1. Who scored? Leon Daly. Penalty. Courtesy of who? Werner Brown. Ronaldo Cephas, go down the byline, get the ball in. Werner Brown taken down inside of the box. Score. So see there? First game, a JPL player stand out. He come contribute. Not as a stand out. He came and contribute. Second match, Tuesday the 25th of March, Jamaica 3, St. Vincent and the Grenadines 0. 27 minutes, opening goal, Werner Brown. On home soil. Next match, me exclude the Unity Cup as well. I use the important match that means something. CONCACAF World Cup qualification, Saturday, June 7th. British Virgin Islands 0, Jamaica 1. Goal scorer, Werner Brown. Tuesday, June the 10th, or the 10th of June, 2025, Jamaica 3, Guatemala 0. Brace, Werner Brown. Now, we're going now to Monday, June 16th of June, 2025. Guatemala, Jamaica. Guatemala 1, Jamaica 0. Still we have 2 JPL players starting that game. Werner Brown and Richard King. So, a part of the loss as well. 6th of June, 2025. Jamaica 2, Guadeloupe 1. Jamaica win the game, 2-1. And, as you know, 2 JPL players night as well. So, contributing to the win. Now, just as I say contributed to the loss, contributed to the win again. Finally, Panama 4, Jamaica 1. Who scored for Jamaica? Bell, goal created by Lembikisa. Now, and in that game, we had 2 players, Werner Brown and Richard King, starting. So, consistently, those are the only 2 players who consistently get minutes. Only 2 players. And in all of those games, they have only recorded 2 defeats. And all the victories, they play a key part in it. 2 losses, that is the Panama loss and the Guatemala loss. And all of those victories, they have contributed significantly in the victories. So, why target the JPL players? What reason? What reason we have to target JPL players? It's a dysfunctional team, but we are single out the JPL players. The entire squad dysfunctional. Madness from management come right down. But yes, still, you have supporters singling out the JPL players. I'm not here to defend. I'm not defenders of the defender of the JPL. Maybe not. But I have to show you guys that there's issues where there are other issues, but people are singling out the JPL players as if they are the sole reason why we not achieve the Gold Cup success. I want to check it out. All the games prior to that we have won, they play a significant role in us getting those victories. And in the something there, in the game versus the game we win, the Guatemala game we win. No, not Guatemala. Sorry, in the Guadeloupe game we win. The three JPL players starting at that one. Richard King, Werner Brown, and doing busy Atkinson. And 2 of them contributed to the goal. Pass from doing Atkinson to Werner Brown to Leon Bailey. So in all of the games that will get positive results, they have contributed. So why single them out? Why single them out when holistically we have issues? Now, the whole talk is that Steve McLaren is being strong-armed. But really and truly, is Steve McLaren being strong-armed when Werner Brown deliver? Is that strong arm to put Werner Brown in a squad when he's delivering? Yes, I clearly remember the miss we missed versus Panama. I clearly remember that. 100% remember that. But at a one miss, well, he probably miss other games. But him contribute to other games as well. So him not contribute in this game. So guess what? Him not good kind of contribute in this game. And he miss one goal in this game. Really now, people? Strikers miss. Missy Holland miss. Some opener, sitter, pan goal line. Ronaldo miss ball on the goal line. Messi miss. But we not crucify Werner Brown now because he fall in the quote-unquote category of the JPL players. You see, people, it's just supporters pick and choose where they want, whatever narrative they want to run with. That's all now. So right now, at the JFIFA pick his side because JPL player on his side. But yet still, the JPL player on his side, from the start of the year, from every single game from the start of the year, I contribute in a bar 2 games. And the 2 games will lose. In bar 2 games, and that's the 2 games will lose, the JPL player can contribute from the start of the year. You see funny? But they are the problem. These players are the problem. And theoretically, when I look on it, the game we'll play against something still, the 1-1 game we'll play against St. Vincent, so let me call me that error. And probably King make an error as well. So maybe that then contribute to us also not getting a positive result. So I'm not going to be biased or neglect that. Just remember it. But at the end of the day, it was a JPL baller who contributed in recovering the scoreline. But they have done more positive than negative according to some of the supporters base. Support base I make nice about. I just say gossip, but you will have that. You'll definitely have that. People make nice all the time, every time. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash like button. They're not the JPL players are not the problem. King, Werner Brown, who are consistently playing, they're not the problem, people. We have bigger problem than those 2 players. Because the reason I'm isolate those 2 players because they are the 2 players who play significantly more minutes than anybody else. So I have to highlight them too there. Which means that these are the 2 players who coach say, we trust them too, yeah. They might deliver, they might give more. Although I'm thinking blunder when they pull it 2 of them one time. Maybe my show say, hey, I don't know. Anyways, probably my show something. Anyways, people, big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Soon again, maybe probably will never like the video because I know a JPL baller me I defend. I don't know if I don't like him already. So I go still. Big up on yourself, people, outside. Girls them, what? Outside. Oh, God bless. Forgot to never say that. Be a foolish mad, you know.